tutorial again. Alright, so when you registered your store on Qartwil, all the packages show that Qartwil supports or gives custom email addresses to every brand. So today we're going to be going through the section that shows you all important links and credentials of your store. Okay, so we're still on the site settings. I'm just going to toggle this to close and we're going to move to advanced settings. Now we're just going to scroll all the way down. Okay, we'll scroll all the way down here and you would find the email credentials. Remember to always make sure you keep this secret so no one has access to your business email. These are corporate emails, so you can use to message people, email people on different services and products that you have. Right, so this is a more professional way for you to identify with other brands or persons out there. All right, so this is going to be available on your store, where you can simply click the buttons to copy each of these details. Okay, so these details are going to give you the password, the encryption, the ports. You would know where to put this when you open an Outlook or a web email platform. All right, so you have everything that it will ask of you. You have them here, just to click on the copy, and you copy those things and you go ahead. Now if you go down, you'll find the extras, right? These are quick links, right, that you will need for various platforms. Now Qartwil just ensured that these links are here because we don't know the kinds of platform you like to interact with as regards the growth of your own store. Okay, but we are aware that some of these platforms will require certain links, right? And we just decided to make that easy for you to just click and copy. So we have links to your robots file. Okay, you have the link to your sitemap, you have the link to your product feed, the link to your privacy URL, terms and condition, refund and return policy. Okay, so depending on whatever platform you are going to work with, as to get your store out there, make it look bigger, and they require you to share some information about your store. Say they want to know how many products are in your store. How can we get share your products and put in our store? You can do that by sharing your product feed. Okay, how do we know that your business is standard? We need to see your privacy policy, your refund policy. These are copy. You can copy and paste and just share. All right, so that's it for the email credentials and extra links